Hi guys, my name is Johan and I'm back with a new video in which I want to share with you some new upcoming projects from the vast crypto forest. New IDOs that will launch uh, this month. But first, let's take a short look of the market today. We are having an historical weekend. Bitcoin has surpassed $60,000, guys. Yes, you heard me right. Bitcoin is already on. Bitcoin has already reached a new all-time high, guys. As you can see, uh, it is a weekend, not much movement in the past 24 hours, but yesterday Bitcoin successfully reached 61,000, guys, all-time high. As you can see, we had an all-time high of $61,711 16 hours ago. So Bitcoin is on rampage, is going wild, guys. Ethereum also have broken the $2,000 mark, guys. It did an all-time high 22 hours ago. So major movement is ahead, guys. As you know, the stimulus package for US citizens is ready to go next week, so we might see some bullish movement in the altcoins, guys. Let's see the winners of the day. The central end 47.7%, Hedera Hashgraph 34.6%, Terra 25.3%, and so on, guys. Holo, BitMax token, Engine coin, all of these have performed extremely well this weekend. Let's see the losers. Chills 12%, 12.6% to the downside. Celsius Network 9% to the downside. Polygon 8.1% to the downside, and Swissborg not much movement to the downside. As you all know, we are in a full bull run, guys. So we will see what will happen next week with all the stimulus that is going on to the American people, guys. Let's jump to the subject of the day and see what new projects are going to launch next week. According to Crypto Differ, we will see some interesting projects. Umbrella will do public testnet, guys. So this Monday we will see the public testnet on the Umbrella network. Let's see how Umbrella has performed since the IDO. As you guys can see at the current recording, Umbrella is trading at $1.42. So we will see what will happen after the mainnet launch. It has a lot room to grow. As you can see, it had an all-time high of $2.62, and at the current recording we are seeing it at 46.1% to the downside. So it might be a good price to get into Umbrella token, guys. Let's see another interesting project that will launch. Fat will do an IDO on Gumpad on 15 March. Let's see what Fatfi is all about. So Fatfi is a decentralized open innovation platform that will foster a collaborative ecosystem with the goal of dramatically accelerating the development and adoption of the most advanced technologies and strategies into the most attractive segment in the DeFi verse, liquidity rewards. In short, Fatfi is a DeFi hub integrated with its own algorithm stablecoin. Fatfi is built on Binance Smart Chain and aiming to become a Polka.parachain. So this is Fatfi guy. Let's see, guys. Let's see a Fatfi page. See the Fatfi page. This is Fatfi, guys. Algorithmic stablecoin. As you can see, they have a nice roadmap. They have a real team, strategic partners, as you can see. So guys, you should check this project out. As I've said, they will do the IDO tomorrow, 15 March. This is the Gumpad, and Gumpad is the first project combining NFTs, yield farming, and gamification. So this is the site. This is the crowdfunding page, and as you can see, they are featuring Fatfi protocol. Next on the list, let's see what InsurAace is all about. They will do an LBP on balancer. So LBP is liquidity bootstrapping pool, guys. InsurAace is a decentralized insurance protocol aiming to provide a reliable, robust, and carefree DeFi insurance services to the DeFi users with very low premium and sustainable investment returns. So InsurAace mission is to redefine DeFi insurance and protect users from security risks with user-friendly product accessibility and capital efficiency. So as you can see on their side, they do have a lot of interesting and powerful investing as Huobi Labs, guys, DeFi Place Capital, GFS Ventures, and so on, guys. This is their roadmap. They have started this project since October 2020. This is the InsurAace protocol, guys, site. Interesting project. Now people are looking for insurance on their assets, guys. Next project that will launch is Konimi, that will do an IDO on Polka Starter. We've talked about Konimi on my previous videos. The same with PolkaFoundry, that will conduct an IDO on Starter and the launchpad from Mantra DAO on March the 16th. PolkaFoundry is the one-stop dApp integration factory for the Polkadot ecosystem and the missing UX solution for Web3. So I did cover this project in my previous video. Let's see another interesting project on 17 March, that's Dafi. Let's see what Dafi is all about. This is the site, guys. Dafi creates synthetics to reward networks for long-time users. This is the Dafi site. As you can see, they have a real team. This project is extremely interesting. SHO means strongholder offering, and it will be done on DAO Maker, a new interesting crowdfunding platform. As you can see, guys, live and upcoming sale is Dafi, as you can see, and this is the site where you can go and participate on whitelist. It's the same as all platforms where you are getting yourself a ticket and see if you are lucky to participate in this upcoming sale, guys. So Dafi introduced the first alternative since Bitcoin to use network rewards for building the centralized economy instead of directly issuing tokens for staking and liquidity. Dafi ties synthetics to each network adoption. This means that the token release and network demand is proportional, meaning users are still incentivized when adoption is low, but by being rewarded later, not earlier. By linking these two factors, it attracts long-term users to be incentivized longer, supporting adoption. DeFi enables every protocol and platform to create a synthetic flavor from their native token. This is then algorithmically patched to the demand of the network and distributed to users. Synthetic D tokens on Dafi can be created by projects and distributed to their users by staking nodes, liquidity, or even participation bounty rewards. Individual can stake the Dafi token for governance and collateralize the creation of the Dafi, the first synthetic unit which is tied to network demand. The quantity of the synthetic can increase only as network adoption rises, incentivizing long-term users. So this seems to be a very interesting project with synthetics assets, guys. As I've told you, synthetics is performing extremely well, guys. As you can see, they do have a real team. This seems to be a very interesting project. As you can see, they are developing this project since 2018, guys. And now in Q1 2020 we will see the token sale. So remember this date, guys, 17 March. So remember this date, guys. Dafi will do a strongholder offering on DAO Maker on 17 March. So next project that we will cover is Casper Labs that will do a token sale on CoinList. Let's see what Casper Labs is all about. This is the site, Business at the Speed of Markets. Casper Labs develops and maintains Casper, an open source blockchain optimized for enterprise and developer adoption. As you can see, this is the site. They do have a lot of partners and they do have a real team, guys. As you can see, Casper is a proof-of-stake blockchain network optimized for enterprise developer adoption. The Casper network is the first live blockchain built on the correct by construction CBC Casper specification, allowing the network to create a sustainable new markets and unlock value by tokenizing nearly any asset without compromising performance or security. Activity on Casper is governed by CSPR, the network's native token. So CSPR is the network token. So this is Casper, guys. As you can see, they will do they will have three sales option. March 23 we can register here on CoinList and pay 0.015 per token, and we will have our tokens locked for 12 months. We do have option 2 from 25th March locked for 6 months and pay 0.02 cents per token, and we will have the token locked for 6 months. And the option 3 from 26 March till 28 March we will have our token for 40 days locked. And then we will be able to trade our tokens after 28 April 2021, but the price for that option will be more expensive. It will be 0.03 cents. This is the CSPR economics. As you can see, this is how you can participate. You can register here, do your know your customer, and be ready to buy the CSPR token, guys, from Casper. This is a very interesting project as well. Let's see what other projects will be launching in March. Convergence. I've talked about Convergence in my previous videos. They will do an IDO on Polka Starter on 25th March. Okay, next interesting project that will do sale on Balancer is Tidal Finance. Let's see what Tidal Finance is all about. So what is Tidal Finance? Tidal Finance makes DeFi safer by providing insurance coverage for assets across chain in custom balanced liquidity pools. Tidal is a balancer like insurance market built upon Polkadot that allows users to create custom insurance pool for one or more assets. With Tidal, users can choose risk pool depending on their risk appetite and filter it through a combination of protocols, assets, and their coverage terms, premium, cover period, and so on. Liquidity providers, on the other hand, can invest in pools that suit their risk-reward ratio. So this is Tidal, as you can see, high yield insurance platform. Interesting project as well, a new insurance protocol, as you can see right here, guys. You should check them out, and remember this date, 25th March. So in 10 days from now we will see Shyft network, another IDO on Polka Starter. Let's see what Shyft network is all about. Shyft network is a public blockchain protocol designed to aggregate and embed trust and validation into data stored on public and private ecosystem and permissioned and permissionless network. By facilitating bridging across siloed data sets, Shyft allows for a layering of context on top of data, ultimately turning raw data into meaningful information. Additionally, Shyft network has been developing identity solution that helps centralized and decentralized application become compliant with existing regulation. As you can see, they do have a lot of interesting investors in their private sale. Let's see the Shyft network page. This is Shyft. As you can see, this is looking extremely interesting. From my point of view, this is a very nice project. As you can see, guys, they do have a real team, and you can check them out. So let's see what Shyft, the governance token of Shyft network, is. Shyft is a currency for identify and data transmission, as well as a governance mechanism for coordination across ecosystem that enables entity-to-entity governance, compliant asset creation, and a system for compliant DeFi and other application. Let's see the purpose of Shyft. The purpose of Shyft is to fuel smart contracts automation design to enable holders of Shyft to interact with and exchange information with application providers and trust anchors within a number of industries, including financial services, and improve compliance procedure for application and trust anchors by involving them to asset on the identity and potentially the risk profile of network participants. So this is Shyft, a very interesting project. Remember 24th March, guys, IDO on Polka Starter. Shyft may be a very interesting project for you to keep an eye on. So guys, this was my video for today. I hope you like the content that I provide, and as you can see, we are having an historical weekend when Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot of other coins have reached new all-time highs. We will see how these new tokens that I've covered in this video will perform after few months from their IDOs. So guys, if you like the content that I provide, please like and subscribe my channel. See you guys in another video. Bye.